Want to learn how to redeem Sephora gift cards online? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to redeem Sephora gift cards online. For that, I am going to use Google Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. So as you land on this page, tap on the search or type web address option here. As you tap on it and then enter here sephora.com, this will take you to the official web page of the Sephora app itself. Wait until the web page gets loaded totally. As it's done, what you can do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom center. Alexa, that's my profile icon here. So I'm going to tap on it and then scroll down and tap on account settings option. As you get onto this account settings option, scroll down and on the bottom you can see an option of payments and credits. Tap on it. Onto this payments and credits section option, scroll down and you will see that here is a gift card option. So to check your current balance, you need to enter the card 16-digit number and PIN as well. So if you have a 16-digit number and PIN on your gift card, make sure to enter both of them and then tap on this check option. Alright, after you've done it, you need to select some of the products that you can add to your basket to shop through your gift card. So I'm going to go to my home address. Or even you can tap on shop option. So I'm going to scroll down. This is Rare Beauty by Selena. So I'm going to tap on it. As you tap on it, what you can do is tap on this add to basket option below. As you've done it, what you need to do is tap on this basket icon on the top right corner. You can see I have 4 of the products that I've added to my basket and that I want to purchase. So here, you have an option of checkout shipped items on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. As you get onto this section, you'll be asked your payment method. Alright, so you can choose one of the payment method that you want to pay with. But since we're trying to use our gift card, all you have to do is scroll down and then tap on this add gift card option here. So again, you need to enter your gift card number along with your PIN and then tap on apply option. And then you need to tap on this save and continue option after the apply option. And then after adding all of your information, what will happen is you can use your gift card successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to guide you to the correct place and help you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.